So, today we are going to talk about public speaking and communication skills. So, there are few things I have learned, and the first thing is talk slowly. I know in this modern world, everyone's attention span is fucked. They watch YouTube videos on 1.5x. They don't have time, they will interrupt you, all this bullshit. But you still need to talk slowly when you talk because our brain, the way it thinks, it's slow, and the way the speed, at what speed our mouth is moving, it's faster than our brain could think. Well, yeah. I'm making mistakes, but you get the point. We speak faster but we think slow, so we need to think, so we need to talk slow, because when you talk slow then you match with the speed of your thinking, and all the fumble I did or all the fumble you do, they will go away because you're trying to speak faster, but you, I hope the train is not disturbing you, but it's disturbing me. But you can't think that fast, that's why you fumble, you say the words wrong, you say the pronunciation wrong, or you are in the habit of speaking all the time speaking. You are, fuck off. You have this habit of speaking all the time and taking the pauses, long breathing, all the long breaths, all these things. So we have built this habit of speaking faster, so that we don't like pauses and all. That's why there are times we don't have any thoughts, and we say all these filler words, basically, actually, you know what, like, sorry, yeah. So that's why you, what the fuck, what the fuck, bro. Pretty bad time to press record, whatever. So that's the first thing: talk slowly, breathe, take long breaths, take pauses. It's totally fine. Yes, in the starting people will interrupt you, you're talking too slow, and your friends will jump up and they will start saying their point. But with time you will build this habit that people take us seriously. I don't know for what reason, but when you're speaking slow, when you don't speak, like, this is also a good habit, that you're a good listener, you're just listening all the time. So when you speak, they know that now it's time to, so take pauses, say your points. And when you're sharing something really important and someone interrupts, just remind them, bro, like, what the fuck are you doing? Let me finish my point. You have been speaking all this time, now it's my turn. And if you have low quality friends, obviously the speaking and all these things will be different, right? So that was the first thing. And there are other things that I'm learning around the communication skills and public speaking, which is the way you pronounce your words. Like, pronounce heavily. I can say heavily like this, but pronounce heavily. The pitch of your voice should be, you can say loud, you can say softer, sometimes you can increase the pitch, then sometimes you can just decrease the pitch. So, and there are other things such as tonality. So I can speak like that and I can speak like this. So not very, confident in these things because I'm learning. So second thing would be practice. Everyone give you this advice: just practice. If you want to speak in Hindi or in English, on camera, on stages, wherever if you want to improve your communication skills for interviews, for your career, whatever, practice. That's what I'm doing. I already have a YouTube channel in Hindi. I can record video there. I will easily get 1,000 to 2,000 views, and I will easily get sales for my products and all these things. I really don't need to record videos in English. There's like no benefit. And You see the quality of this video, audio quality, it sucks, but I'm doing this because I want to improve my, my English communication skills in English, because it would be pretty good in future, right? So yeah, I want to do that. I want to be confident. I want to travel the world, debate all around the world, because I'll be big man one day. So English, I should know, I should be fluent in this. That's why I'm doing this. So first thing is practice. Then second thing is analyze. No one talks about analyzing. It is very important that you analyze. If you don't analyze, see, Andrew Tate gave this example that he speaks pretty good and he's just 37 years old. There are people who are 60 to 70 years old. It means those older people have been speaking more 30-40 years more than Andrew, more than Tate. So in terms of, if we calculate the practice of speaking, Andrew have done 37 years and they have done 60-70 years, then why aren't they better speaker? So practice is not everything. You need to analyze, you need to see where you fumble, you need to see what are the words you use very often which doesn't sound good, and then you need to notice your like, what, all these filler words, stupid words. Then you need to cut them, you need to add new words to your vocabulary. You need to look at your hands, your body language, everything. You need to analyze. You need to rewatch your videos 5 times, 10 times. Find the note down, and then practice next time. Improve the video quality, improve the way you speak. So what have we learned? Speak slowly, talk slowly, breathe, and practice more, practice every day basically. If you can't speak on camera, if you can't speak, then you need to practice. After 30 days you'll be better than everybody you know. That's all it takes. Then analyze. That's it. So it's 7 minutes 29 seconds. Let's see if I have something else I want to talk about. No. Yeah, that's all. And I have an online self-improvement school. It's a little promotion. If you're a young man and you want to improve yourself, your communication skills, basically fitness, everything, you can join my online school, yuddhabhumi.com, or you can go to my main channel. You will find the website link there, or you can just go yuddhabhumi.com. So that's where you can get the access to the website and join my self-improvement school. Bye bye.